but I'm just debating on whether the value is really there. Hi friends! Welcome to Scribbles from Emily. I'm Emily and this is Edison, and per tradition we are going to open our Fab Fit Fun box together. We have our Winter Fab Fit Fun box here.
I think it's gonna be toys.
Ooh!
A magazine?
A magazine?
Cool, so here's this. Here's that. This again.
Yeah, the coupons for HelloFresh. 9 free meals. This magazine has all the stuff that's in the box in it and like tips for how to use the things and such. So let's see what else is in here. What is
I
it?
don't know.
Let's see, Television. Perfect hair shampoo. Ooh. Oh, you can see that from here.
Shampoo.
Shampoo for perfect hair.
Can I smell?
Yeah.
Oh, does it smell so good?
It's sealed, so I can't smell it, but I bet it does.
Look at it.
What's that?
Let's smell it.
I think it's a conditioner.
Read the words.
Television Perfect Hair Conditioner. Oh, I can smell that a little bit.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, can you smell it?
Oh, it sounds just like a flower.
Yeah.
Look at it.
What is
Something
that?
I don't know.
Color Switch. Vera Color Switch. Instant Brush Cleaner. Glide the makeup brush against the color switch sponge in a circular motion to remove color. No liquid or cleaner needed. Nice. I need to clean my makeup brushes, so that's perfect. What else do you see in here?
Soap.
So this one is Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh, so it's hand soap and body wash in lavender oil. I bet this is gonna smell really good.
Let me smell it.
Ooh, it smells like lavender.
Ah, it smells so great.
What is that?
Wow.
Bando. It's a Bluetooth shower speaker.
So I can keep it contemplated.
It can keep you what?
Contemplated.
Complicated?
Let's try it out and make music.
Yeah.
I want to make music with it.
Let's look at it.
Look, wow. Can I please make music with it?
Well, we'll have to get it all set up. And then this sticky thing allows you to stick it on the wall in the bathroom. So it will stick to the wall and then play music.
Okay, Mom, I'm trying it.
We will. Don't worry. It's really cute. I like the pink and red roses. What else? Ooh, Soft Focus Glow Drops Ultimate Glow Primer. Check that out. I've always had a hard time finding a primer that I really like. So I'm excited to try that.
I want to smell it.
We can smell it. I don't know if it smells like anything.
Because primers don't want to smell like anything.
Yeah, it's like makeup.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, smell it.
It does smell good. It smells like fruit.
Ah, what's that?
A makeup eraser.
Yeah, I want to see it. Whoa,
It's like a
whoa, whoa.
suction cup made of millions of tiny hair-like fibers. It's like a special cloth. Erase all makeup with just water. Really? Oh, wow.
It could be my cozy blanket.
No, there's more in here.
Ooh.
Lumi Pure Melodica Melt. It sounds like lotion. Balm. It is.
Can I smell it? Does it smell like anything?
Ooh, that is some thick lotion. It doesn't smell like anything. Used as an overnight facial mask or throughout the day where needed. We suggest around eyes, on lips, and on dry patches. That is some thick cream. Okay, what else is in there? What is it?
I don't know.
Prep Rally. Prime and Prep Detangler.
Can I smell it?
Ooh,
Doesn't smell like anything.
no, but that looks cool.
Hey, I'll blast up there.
Okay.
Ta-da!
That's it.
Want to hear this?
Yeah.
Cool, right?
Yeah. What are you most excited about?
I don't know. This. To stick on the wall.
Yeah. Most excited about the shower.
It goes on the lid.
The Bando shower speaker too, but I'm also really curious about how this works.
Wow, that's
Too.
sticky!
This is probably this in the shower
Oh.
speaker.
That's
What is this
sticky!
thing? You can't get it back off?
No.
Okay.
Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up. I loved it.
Hi guys, I'm back. That Fab Fit Fun haul went pretty quickly with Edison, so I wanted to pop back in and talk through my internal debate on whether or not I want to do Fab Fit Fun for another year, since this was my last box of my subscription. Initially, when I unboxed the winter box, I felt a little bit disappointed because it just seemed like there wasn't that much in there, and I had also seen other people unboxing things like cozy slippers and blankets and stuff like that. But after trying out some of the products and using them a little bit, I'm pretty satisfied. For example, these soft focus glow drops, and I'm wearing it today. I really like this. It goes on super light and airy, and it smells amazing, and I feel like it does do a lot for my complexion and makeup. And then the other thing that came in the box that I wasn't sure about initially is this magic eraser, which just looks like a microfiber cloth. It says that it will remove your makeup without soap. All you need is water. And that sounded a little too good to be true, but I tried it out and it definitely works. I think I will love using this when I travel places because I don't have to take any other cleansers with me. I can just roll this up and I'm good to go. I wanted to just go through some of my favorite items from my Fab Fit Fun boxes. I've received 4 boxes now. You can watch my unboxing of my spring box, which was my first one, and my fall box on this channel. I didn't film my summer box because I unboxed that on Instagram, also with Edison, and so I don't have a video to show that, but I will show you some of the products that I got from that box. There are a lot of things that I've used and loved, but there's also a lot of things that I haven't. There were a bunch of items that I actually gave away as Christmas gifts this year. I mean, it's kind of nice, I guess, for that if there's stuff that you don't want, because you could re-gift it and it does make a nice gift. But as far as the value, I'm just kind of debating on that because it's not cheap. It's $49.99 each box, which you get 4 times a year. If you use the link that'll include down below, that will get you $10 off your first box. I used somebody else's link when I first signed up, so I got $10 off my first box too. But I'm just debating on whether the value is really there, because the way that they price out the value per box, they say it's worth $250. That's if you were to go out and buy all of the items at full price yourself, which some of the items you wouldn't necessarily go out and buy, and then some other items you could get on sale, so it also doesn't quite equal, I think, like $250 worth of value. I've heard you can find some of these same items and brands at places like TJ Maxx and Marshall's. I don't really shop at either of those 2 places, so in that sense maybe it's kind of worth it to me. Let's go through some of my favorite Fab Fit Fun items from all 4 boxes this year. I already showed you this, so I'm gonna skip that for now, but that's in my favorites. This is probably my top favorite item. I keep talking about this probiotic gel-based cleanser by Tula. I just really love it. I've never used a product that I immediately like noticed the difference in my skin. I always heard people talk about having like a glowy, dewy complexion, but never really seen it in myself until I used this. Fab Fit Fun introduced me to Tula, so I also purchased this serum from them. This is the Aqua Infusion Power Liquid Serum. It's almost gone. I got this wallet in my fall box. This is a cut from the cloth wallet, and I have loved it. It fits in both my diaper bag and my smaller purse that I carry perfectly, and it has plenty of room for all my cards, receipts, and cash. It's just perfect. Then this scrub came in my spring box. This is the Relax Champagne and Charcoal Scrub, which I have loved. I would say this is more like a like item. I've definitely used it. It's more than halfway gone. I don't know if you can see that. I don't take baths as much as I used to, at least in this house, because I don't know, the tub isn't as conducive for bath taking. Compared to the scrub that I made myself, I made a rose sugar scrub, and I'll put the link to that in the description down below. I liked the one that I handmade better, and all I needed for that one was sugar and coconut oil and some essential oils, so it was like crazy cheap. I would give this a 7 out of 10. Already talked about this. Love this. This is a thing that I never would have bought for myself, but I love it. And that is one of the advantages to Fab Fit Fun, is getting to try products that I never normally would pick up. This Generation Clay mask, I think this came in the fall box, pretty sure. I am loving using this so far. I talked about it in my winter skincare video with my sister that I will link to. It's purple. This is an aromatherapy oil roller. This came in the fall box too. This was a thing that I kind of thought like, okay, when I first got it, but I've actually used it a lot. I really like it. This is my shower speaker, which just came in my winter box. I'm super excited about this. My hair towel, this came in my fall Fab Fit Fun box too. That was pretty much my best box, I think. I love this thing. It is a After Spa is the brand, After Spa hair towel, but you can also buy these on Amazon, which I will put a link to down below. This has been just fantastic. I think I've actually noticed a big difference in my hair since using it. Again, this is another thing that I probably wouldn't have bought for myself, but I'm really happy to have. This is one of my very favorite Fab Fit Fun products. This is Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Cream Shower Gel. This came in my summer box. It just smells like a tropical vacation. Oh, it's just so good. And it is super moisturizing. It's fantastic in the summer. It's great in the winter, really all year round. There's like, let's see how much is left. There's like that much left. It is the best shower gel I've ever experienced in my life. In the summer box, I also got with it this fast absorbing body cream that also smells fantastic. It smells delicious. I've been trying to use it sparingly because I love it so much. This was in the summer box too, this exfoliating foot mask by Wish, and it's like a gel. When I thought like exfoliating foot mask, I thought it would be scratchy, but it's actually like a gooey like gel kind of consistency, and you rub it on your feet at night, and then like the next day you exfoliate your feet in the shower, and it really works to remove dry skin. I've even had Brian use it. Talked about this in my winter hair care video too. It's the leave-in conditioner by Aveda. You just work it through your hair after you get out of the shower, it dries, and your hair is heat protected. And I find I can let my hair air dry, and it like helps it hold its curl, and it almost acts like a hair serum too. This is, I've been saving this container for this video because it is empty and has been empty. This was the Cora's Wild Rose night cream and facial. My very favorite product. I think I can say that with confidence. This was worth the entire box. This was a little surprise product for me. This is the Yoga Cooling Spot Therapy. This came in my fall box. At first I thought like, what even is this? It's temple rub for clarity and peace of mind. So you just squirt a little bit on, and then you rub it on your temples. It smells really good, like peppermint. And so at first I thought like, that is kind of a pointless, very bougie product. But then, come to find out, this was like fantastic at headache relief. So I would just rub this on, and it is like cooling and tingling and smells really cool and refreshing, and it worked wonders for headaches. And this was another product from my summer box. It's kind of all goopy, but it is Unsung Mineral Tinted Face Sunscreen, because it is tinted sunscreen, 30 SPF, and it's mineral based sunscreen, so it doesn't have any of that bad stuff in it. I could just put this on in the morning and know that I have sunscreen on and like a light makeup base, and it was fantastic. Then of course, this bag, this is a Kate Spade lunch bag. It says out to lunch on the front there. It's super cute. I actually use this as my makeup bag. I use it when I travel now because it's such a nice little size. It pops in my suitcase easily. Can fit a ton of stuff in there. And it's got the plasticky material on the inside, so it's really easy to wipe clean. And my yoga mat. It's extra long, I feel like. It's longer than my old yoga mat was. This mat, I've used it a handful of times so far. I haven't been doing yoga as much lately, but I'm planning to get back into it in the new year. I love that it can fold up, super small. It's a travel yoga mat from Anthropology, I want to say. This necklace, which has these delicate little stars here. I just love this dainty style of jewelry. It's gold. It has not tarnished or changed color at all. You can tell it's really high quality jewelry, and it's held up too, and I wear it all the time because it kind of goes with just about everything. So that's been one of my very favorite pieces to get in a Fab Fit Fun box too. I totally forgot about my water bottle, my Swell bottle cane, and one of my, maybe it was my spring Fab Fit Fun box, and I use this every day and I love it. So those are all the products that I've loved. I think what I might do is calculate the sort of estimated value of those items versus the cost of the whole box, and maybe use that to kind of determine whether I want to do it for another year. I don't know, because should I also include the value of the items that I re-gifted? One thought that I've had is, instead of doing Fab Fit Fun, oh, I forgot, I also got these hair ties from Fab Fit Fun, and I use these every single day. I always have one on my wrist. There was a pack of 8 that came in my fall box, and I use them non-stop. As I was saying, so I've been thinking about switching to CauseBox. It costs about the same amount. You get, I think, 4 boxes a year. They're about $50 each, and everything in the boxes is made by ethical companies that are like making a difference and having an impact. CauseBox is all about the causes that are represented in it, as you can tell by the name. I've been interested in CauseBox for several years, and I'm wondering if maybe I should try switching to that. I'll link to it down below. You can check it out too and let me know what you think. If it looks like they have some really nice items in there too. Did you enjoy watching my Fab Fit Fun unboxings this year? Would you like to see more unboxings next year of Fab Fit Fun or of CauseBox? And you can vote down below whether or not you think I should do Fab Fit Fun again or CauseBox, or even if you have another idea entirely, I would love to hear it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later.
Hi. Hello.